Lively Learning for Kids.
Episode 1.
Our plan for today. 1. Math. We will be reviewing counting up to 9, and we will also be learning how to add numbers.
2. Words Workshop. We will be reviewing the alphabet and spelling 3-letter words.
3. Science. We will be telling you the difference between an alligator and a crocodile.
4. Fun Activity. We will be doing a crossword puzzle.
1. Math.
Exercise.
How many of each object are there?
Pause the video here and see if you can count it.
We're back, and we'll be going over the answers now.
There are.
5 cherries.
There are.
5 oranges.
There are.
7 bananas.
There are.
8 strawberries.
There are.
6 apples.
And finally, there are.
9 pears.
Numbers from 0 to 9.
Say it along with us.
0,
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8.
and finally 9. How to add.
In our first example here, we have a group of pairs plus another group of pairs.
Let's count. There are 1, 2, 3 pairs plus 1, 2, 2 pairs, which equals, you guessed it, 5 pairs.
Make sure you do not forget the unit.
In our second example here, we have some apples plus another group of apples.
Let's count. There are 1, 2 apples plus 1, 2 more apples, which equals, it's 4 apples.
And remember to never forget the unit.
In our third example, we have a group of oranges plus another group of oranges.
Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges plus 1 orange, which equals, 5 oranges. And remember to never forget the unit.
Math facts. Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back, and we'll be going over the answers now.
2 plus 6 is
8,
9 plus 0 is
9,
5 plus 3 is
8,
3 plus 2 is
5,
3 plus 4 is
7,
4 plus 0 is
4,
1 plus 8 is
9,
and 1 plus 5 is
6.
2. Words Workshop.
The alphabet.
Say it along with us.
A,
B,
C,
D,
E,
F,
G,
H,
I,
J,
K,
L,
M,
N,
O,
P,
Q,
R,
S,
T,
U,
V,
W,
X,
Y.
and Z.
Write the correct name of each 3-letter animal.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back, and we'll be going over the answers now.
The first animal is a cat. Cat is spelled C-A-T.
The second animal is a dog. Dog is spelled D-O-G.
The third animal is a fox. Fox is spelled F-O-X.
The fourth animal is an owl. Owl is spelled O-W-L.
The fifth animal is a pig. Pig is spelled P-I-G.
The last animal is a hen. Hen is spelled H-E-N. 3. Science. Common question. What is the difference between an alligator and a crocodile?
Here is an image of an alligator and a crocodile.
Facts. Alligators have a more pointy snout. Alligators prefer fresh water. And alligators can be 13 feet long.
Crocodiles have a more rounded snout. Crocodiles prefer salt water. And crocodiles can survive long periods of time without food.
Similarities. They are both reptiles.
And they are both cold-blooded. 4. Fun activity.
Fill in the gaps to complete the crossword puzzle.
Use the word bank to help you.
Here's the word bank. In the word bank, we have the words
Dog,
chicken,
horse,
mouse,
sheep,
fish,
cow,
pig,
and duck.
We're back, and we'll be going over the answers now.
We got fish,
Horse,
mouse,
sheep,
pig,
dog,
duck,
chicken.
then cow.
Here are our vocabulary words for this lesson.
Add
Alphabet.
and unit.
Add means joining things to increase the size, number, or amount.
Alphabet means the set of letters from A to Z.
Unit means the word that describes what the number is representing.
References.
Slidesgo.com for the slides theme.
Google.com for the vocabulary.
Sciencekids.co.nz for the crocodile facts.
And coolkidfacts.com for the alligator facts.
Thank you! Have any questions? Email us at livelylearningforkids@gmail.com.
Credits. This presentation template was created by SlidesGo, including icons by FlatIcon, infographics, and images by FreePic. Are you looking for extra practice?
You can visit our website at sites.google.com/view/livelylearningforkids. Make sure you like our video
Share our video.
and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye!